In this tutorial, we'll explore the new Set Texture from File node in SimLab Composer. This node allows you to change an object's texture during the VR experience using either a file path or a URL. It's useful for dynamically updating visual content based on external inputs or user-provided sources. For this example, we'll work with a VR booth that includes placeholder textures. We'll use SimLab logo image links and convert them into local file paths using the Download Resources node. Then, with the Set Texture from File node, we'll replace the placeholder textures. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then navigate to the Training Builder. Then, on the Scene Start event, right-click to open the search window, then click on Responses, then Resources, then click on Download Resources. Then, in the URL input, add the link you want to download. For this example, we add the SimLab logo URL. This node ensures the images are available locally as file paths to be used later in the experience. Then, right-click to open the search window, click on Responses, then Material, then Texture, and select the Set Texture from File node. In the Material input, attach the scene node you want to replace the texture with. Then connect the path input to the output from the Download Resources node. This applies the downloaded texture directly to the object's material. Repeat the same steps for each placeholder texture to replace them all with the appropriate SimLab logos. Now let's test it.